February 12th, and this evening I'm going to see Kendrick Lamar, and so I've had the day off of my 9 to 5, which is fantastic. So what do you do with a day off from your 9 to 5? You do all the things that you didn't get to do on the Saturday and Sunday because you're spending so much time thinking about how you've got a long weekend ahead. So this morning I was just tidied the flat, sorted out my sewing room a little bit more. It's basically the same layout it was before, it's just everything shifted further that way. So I have a bit more room here to do a few more things, so I was finding it a bit tight to cut things out and sort different random things and everything. So that's it. I haven't actually done any sewing today. Tomorrow the plan is to do lots and lots of sewing because I haven't done that much sewing in quite a while. Just for different reasons, nothing bad, just, you know, sometimes it happens like that. But I'm hoping to get back into the swing of things so I can do more, and I can do more of these videos because I actually quite enjoyed filming / editing the first one in January, if you haven't checked it out already. But yes, you'll also see from my January makes that I actually only really completed one garment in January, so hoping to do a few more in Feb. But yes, I'm gonna get myself ready now to go out to get some food before going to see Kendrick, so I will probably leave the vlog here. Okay. No, that's your phone. My phone's on silent. Hi guys, it's February 13th, which is a Tuesday, not a Wednesday.
Is it?
So no bad luck over here. Kendrick Lamar was great. But the aim of today, well I say today, the next hour or so, is to get as much of this grey coat finished because it's been sitting on my desk since January. Hi guys, so it's the end of the day. I have attached the facing to the coat. There isn't that much left to do on it, but there's just some hand stitching and it's quite late in the day now. It got slow in the afternoon because I had to go out to do some bits, and when I came back I was quite tired, so I took a nap. So I took a nap which took longer, then had to make dinner, blah 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 blah. So I didn't do as much today as I wanted to, which isn't ideal, but It's fine, it happens. Like a few people that I know of, I'm not the biggest fan of the instructions in Burda style patterns, and I think that is half the reason why I've gotten so slow this afternoon, because the instructions are a little bit confusing, and then the pictures don't always marry up with the instructions really easily for you to be able to even visualize and fill in the blanks of what they're saying. And then after a while you just get a bit frustrated trying to figure out what it is. I got quite frustrated trying to figure out what it was. So rather than just muddle on and do something wrong and then later down the line wish that I had stopped, I just decided to stop. So tomorrow or the next day, tomorrow being Wednesday or Thursday, I will start again and see how far I can get with it. But hopefully I will be able to get it done sooner than later, because I would quite like to finish it now. You know, sometimes when you have a project that just goes on for a little bit too long and you're like, oh, I just want it done so I can move on to the next thing, because I've got some other garments I want to make and I don't want to start them and then have a half finished coat. Well, I just want to finish the coat, but I want to finish it properly so that I can still love it as much as I did when I first started it several weeks ago now. But yes, that's the roundup for today. It's been a better day of sewing. It's been a better day of sewing than it has been recently, so I am pleased about that. It's just unfortunate that the instructions were a bit meh and my energy level was also a bit meh, so I have stopped now, but should get it done in the next couple of days, fingers crossed, and then I can move on to the next one. So I guess I will see you guys in a couple of days. Bye!